Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. So today the video is about hiring internship available at AIC. So first of all, who are eligible for this? Let us see the eligibility. Only then we shall go for the complete details. Okay, the eligible students are like this: BTech students, second, third, fourth, and first year of MTech, second year MTech, those who completed BTech and who completed MTech, MCA, BSc, MSc, who are working professionals and MBA and graduated but not working, and if any other. So everybody who is generally had a status can apply for this. Like I think even if you're first year BTech or BE, you can even apply. But the thing is, they may consider it, but the preference is more for this kind of people. Okay, this is the eligibility status. Now let us see about the uh, details of this internship. So prior to that, I make these videos on free courses, placement preparation, scholarship, job updates, and interview, scholarships, and etc. I also provide answers for some courses that are really worthy. If you're looking into any of this data, do not forget to hit the bell icon whenever you subscribe. Now let us move and see the complete details of this internship. So this interview, okay. Now this is being offered by AIC. Uh, these are hiring a software development engineer internships. The number of positions are 6. Coming to the location is remote. It means an online internship, and you are likely to get around 25,000 per month as part of your salary. Okay, and the duration is 2 months. Coming to the date of the exam, which is 12th July 2020, 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So basically, they will be selecting you on the basis of a small exam. You need to give this exam on 12th July once you register for this internship offer. Now the internship exam duration is half an hour. So you will be given 20 questions and you need to solve the 20 questions in a half an hour. And the number of marks include for each question is 2 marks. And if you give a wrong answer, 0.5 mark will be deducted. So you need to, in order to apply, you need to click this apply here. Now let us see the syllabus for this interview preparation. Coming to the syllabus, you need to have any programming language in any language, and like variables, input, output, operations, operators, etc. These are the basics that we all know, right? So recursion, file searching, sorting, data structures, and some algorithms. These are dynamic programming as well, complexity, and etc. So this is the syllabus for this internship. So they will be conducting a test based on this syllabus. So if you are thorough with this, you can directly get it under this internship. So coming to the procedure, first of all, click this apply here and fill this form. You'll be redirected to this and you need to fill this Google form. So once you fill this Google form, a day before the exam, they will be sending you the credential that are required to access. Okay. So that means in order to access the test on 12th July, a day before 12th July, that is on 11th July, they will provide you an email and an SMS where you will be given the login credentials that you need to use and log on to this platform. So the exam conduction platform is a different one. Uh, so there you need to log in. They will provide the link. Okay, you need to log on to that account and start giving the exam. So if you are among the top 16 position, you will get this internship. And if you wanted to have a small sample test, you can go this take test. Okay, you can click this take test. So this is the Mastery Go platform where they will conduct some test for you. If you wanted to get this test, you can take this sample test. You can click this take test by registering here. Okay, once you register, you can take this. So this is how they will be hiring you, okay, for this internship. The result will be on June 14th. This is for sample test. You can take any at any point of time for this sample test. However, the result for the test preparation, actual test is on 15th July. You'll get your results on 15th July. So you can see the complete details here. There will be 20 MCQs. So the questions will be MCQs or fill in the blanks. Now if it is an MCQ, there will be multiple choice questions. There may be right answers, multiple questions. If you write any partial answer, you will get a negative mark. So if there are 3 options correct for a question, you need to identify the 3 options. Only then you will get the 2 marks for that question. So this is about this internship. You can get this complete details about this internship, or you can also contact to them these numbers for these numbers, or you can also email them. So that is about this internship. Coming to the internship, there are nothing like prerequisites. The prerequisites, as I have told you, this is the syllabus, right? So if you now have a good concept of this syllabus, once you complete the test, they will conduct an online interview for you, and if you get qualified in that, you will definitely get this. So they are actually hiring people from different categories, like, right, even second year students, third year, fourth year students, and working professionals. So they do not expect much from you. What they really expect is have a good knowledge of the syllabus that we have shown. So any student can apply for this, nothing like civil, mechanical or anything. Anybody can apply for this internship. But the thing is, you need to have a good knowledge so that you can perform well in that test. So if you need any other questions or any other thing, this is everything is remote. That means online. If you have any other questions, you can ask them or you can comment down. Thank you.